The Indian Embassy in Tehran has issued a latest travel advisory asking Indian nationals currently in Iran to leave the country at the earliest. The advisory was issued on February 23, 2026, in view of the evolving security situation in Iran. The embassy has urged Indians to leave by all available means of transport, including commercial flights. The advisory comes amid escalated tensions between Iran and the United States, along with anti-government protests reported in several parts of the country. The issued advisory is available on the official Indian government news website. According to the embassy, Indian citizens must exercise due caution and avoid areas where protests or demonstrations are taking place. The embassy has also reiterated its earlier advisory issued on January 14, 2026, which carries the same safety instructions. All Indian citizens and persons of Indian origin living in Iran have been advised to stay in constant touch with the Indian embassy and regularly monitor local media for any developments related to the security situation. The embassy has further asked Indian nationals to keep their travel and immigration documents ready at all times, including passports and identity cards, to ensure quick movement if required. Indians who have not yet registered with the embassy have been urged to do so immediately. Those facing internet disruption have been advised to directly contact the embassy for assistance. For emergency support, the Indian Embassy in Tehran has shared the following helpline numbers, which you can see on the screen. The embassy has stated that it is closely monitoring the situation and will continue to assist Indian nationals in the Iran. For now, the message from the Indian Embassy is clear. Stay alert, avoid risk areas, and leave Iran by available means as soon as possible.